Hi, let's just see how to how to fix this compact powder with the help of a natural substitute. I'm not going to use alcohol today. So here I have my makeup brush and I'm going to break all the big pieces of this compact in a small pieces. Now I want the consistency of this powder is to be powder. All right, hope you understand. So I want it to be very thin. That's why I'm taking my compact powder onto a tissue paper and apply pressure on it with the help of a spoon. So that's why I use a spoon. As you can see, it is so satisfying. And I break all of the small chunks of this compact, and here it is. Compact powder is generally made up of some skin friendly ingredient like talc or zinc, or you know, there are some other ingredient also. So here I'm using a rose water today. You can use one of these like micellar water, mineral water, alcohol, or your makeup fixing spray too. So here I'm using rose water, and yes, that's it. This is how you can easily at home fix your compact or blush or highlighter or eyeshadow palette to fix it at home without getting worried. Okay, so next time if you broke your makeup, just fix it with this rose water technique or way. This is so helpful. I hope it helps, and I will see you in my next video. And one more thing I want to tell you is just let it dry overnight before using it, because it is ready to used. And hope it helps. I will see you in my next video, and take care. Bye.